Hey everybody, okay, so I'm back with another little room tour. You'll have to excuse me because my hair is a mess. I actually got back from the South Pacific 2 days ago, hence the sunburnt nose and the sunburnt chest. And my bottle of foundation smashed on the way back, and I've been moving and stuff, so I haven't really had time to go out and buy a new one, so I'm currently makeupless. So apologies for that, but I'm currently staying at the Langham Hotel in Sydney, and as always I'll give you a little room tour. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I've already stayed at the Langham in London and also the Langham in New York. I love the hotel brand, I love the pink, I love the kind of the classic feel and design of each hotel. And so now I'm staying at the Langham in Sydney before I leave and move back to London. So yeah, I'll give you a room tour. Anyway, so this is the room. So if we start, we're actually here by, I haven't opened this yet, so these are sliding shutter doors. These shutters are actually the old style, like the old colonial style in Sydney, so I've actually got those on my house. And ooh, can I open this? Okay, so here's a little balcony, and you overlook the adorable terraced houses and then the city over there. And then if we go back inside, so here we have the room itself. So you've got a nice little table here with some comfy chairs, beautiful artwork. I love how the Langham always they have this really classic design of the room, but then they add these touches of modern artwork in every hotel. And then here's a little seating area. This was actually plopped up here, but I sat on it, so it moved, but it was there. And they've left me these adorable macaroons. I'm not sure how I'm gonna eat all those macaroons by myself, but I will try. And here is the gigantic bed. It's literally huge, so big that there are 3 pillows across. And then behind us we have the TV and the coffee machine. I don't actually drink coffee, so I have no idea what to do with that. And then we have the mini bar. And trying to see if there are any Aussie brands in here. Oh yeah, so the wine is a Hunter Valley wine. So the Hunter Valley is just a 2-hour drive from Sydney. And here we have glasses. Ooh, and they also give you an international focus adapter for you to use while you're here if you forgot yours. And then, what's in here? Sorry, this is actually the first time I've explored the room, so you're exploring it with me. Snacks and things. And what's in this side? That's the safe. Okay, well there's the safe. And then, and then there's obviously the complimentary water with the signature Langham pink label. Why is this not focusing? Okay, there we go. And also the beautiful pens that I unashamedly take every time because they're just so pretty. Like, look at it. Look, they're so pretty. Sorry for taking them, guys. And then here's the beautiful big mirror and dressing table. And then we come back through the little corridor, and in here is, oh, my bags are in the way, the wardrobe. Umbrella and laundry bags. Oh, that's an iron. And then the robes. Oh, there's another safe. Oh, why are there 2 safes? That's weird. Maybe the other one wasn't the safe. And then drawers. And then we have the bathroom. Oh, I love Langham bathrooms. They're always marble and they're always beautiful. And so here we go. His and hers sinks. A humongous bath. That is probably the longest bath I've ever seen. I don't think you can see it very well in the camera, but it is so long. I mean, I'm quite short, so that's going to be very long on me. And then here there's nice big shower, 2 shower options, and what's here? Oh, that's hair dryer. And then in here you have all the amenities, and yeah, I think that's about it really. Anyway, so I'll flip it back instead of talking into the mirror. So yes, this is a deluxe city view room. So I mean, this is one of the lowest, this is not like one of the entry-level basic rooms, but it's still beautiful. I'm so sorry, my red nose is annoying me so much. The camera, I'm just gonna stand and talk like this. Oh no, my chest too. Okay. Okay, right, so yeah, so it's completely beautiful, and I mean, you don't really need much more than this. You know, you'll be out exploring the city, and it's huge considering it's an entry-level room, and it's beautiful. The rooms are always so beautiful. And look at the mirrors. I just want to show you all the mirrors because the mirrors are so beautiful. Look at this one, just the detailing everywhere. So much detail. And then this one, it's just like so simple. And then in the bathroom, like, even look at this mirror. I just love it. Okay, anyway, so one last look at the room for you all. Here it is, and that's it. So sorry, you just disappeared for a minute there. So I will say goodbye now, and I will see you for the next room tour, which I'm not sure what it will be yet. We'll see. Anyway, bye.